In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot CRM with Google Ads. Welcome to this tutorial where we'll guide you through connecting these powerful tools. Whether you're looking to optimize your marketing efforts or streamline your operations, integrating HubSpot CRM with Google Ads is a valuable step. So let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll first want to access the HubSpot trial guide. This is where you'll start setting everything up. Once you're there, direct your attention to the HubSpot marketplace. This is your hub for all sorts of integrations. In the marketplace, you'll want to select Connected Apps. This section lists all the applications that can sync with your HubSpot account. Next, locate Go to App Marketplace. Choosing this option will lead you to a broader selection of applications and services available for integration. At the marketplace, you need a bit of detective work. Your goal here is to find Google Ads. So in the search bar, type in Google Ads. It's a straightforward process, but make sure you enter it exactly as I've described without any typos to find the correct application quickly. Once you've found it in the search results, click on Google Ads to see more details about this integration. This step provides you with crucial information about what the integration entails and what benefits it would bring to your HubSpot CRM environment. Understanding these details ensures you're making the right choice for your business needs. Now that you've decided to proceed by clicking on the Install button. This is the point where everything starts coming together. It's important to confirm any prompts that appear, ensuring you've given your authorization for the installation. This will link your Google Ads account with your HubSpot CRM. You're setting up a connection that can yield valuable insights from your ad performance right within your CRM. This means better targeted campaigns and more streamlined workflows, making your marketing efforts smarter and more efficient. And that's it. You've now successfully integrated HubSpot CRM with Google Ads. As you start exploring the features, you'll notice how the integration allows for enhanced targeting capabilities and improved reach within your ad campaigns. It might take a little bit to get familiar, but with these steps, you're on the right path to leveraging these tools to their fullest potential. If you need any assistance or run into any issues, you can always revisit these steps or refer to the related guides within the HubSpot community for further support. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new integration.